So far, we've learned what's called the nominative case. That's simply the base or subject form of words. I am a student. The school is big. Wine is expensive. We also covered the prepositional case. I live in Europe. He is at home. We also know the accusative case. That's the direct object case, like I buy milk or I want a red car. Next, we'll cover the genitive case. This is the of or possession case, among many other things. You've probably heard the name of Ukraine's president, Volodymyr Zelensky. Volodymyr.
Володимир.
His car would be Машина Володимира.
Машина Володимира.
Literally, the car of Volodymyr. Машина Volodymyra. Another common male name is Alexander or Oleksandr in Ukrainian.
Олександр.
Alexander's job or place of work is Робота Олександра.
Робота Олександра.
Maybe you've heard of Andrei as well. For Ukrainians, it's Andriy.
Андрій.
His friend would be Друг Андрія.
Друг Андрія.
Now for female names, you've probably heard Svetlana. In Ukrainian, Svitlana.
Світлана.
Svetlana's dog is Pes Svitlany.
Пес Світлани.
Another very Ukrainian name is Olesya.
Олеся.
Olesya's brother is Brat Olesy.
Брат Олесі.
There's also the globally popular Maria, Maria.
Марія.
Maria's friend is Друг Марії.
Друг Марії.
Like in other cases, the iya ending in feminine has its own special form, becoming iyi. So there are the examples for masculine hard and soft endings, and then feminine hard and soft endings. In short, for masculine nouns, you add a to the end of hard nouns, or change the y or soft sign ending of soft nouns to ya. Neuter nouns have the same. Hard o becomes hard a, soft e becomes soft ya. For feminine, hard sounds change from a to e, while soft change from ya or soft sign to e, and iya becomes yi. There's another use for this case, counting. Remember in the plural lesson how we said to be careful because there are multiple plural forms? Well, now you get to learn another. To do so, we need to learn some numbers first. One is один.
Один.
Two, два.
Два.
Three, три.
Три.
Four, чотири.
Чотири.
A phone is телефон.
Телефон.
Telephones are телефони.
Телефони.
But specifically 2, 3, or 4 phones is 2, 3 або 4 телефона.
4 телефона.
Some numbers also change to agree with gender. So if we were talking about a car, машина, it's 1, одна машина.
Одна машина.
2, дві машини.
2 машини.
3 машини.
3 машини.
4 машини.
4 машини.
You can see that 1 and 2 changed forms. Один, одна.
1. Одна.
2, дві.
2. 2.
3 and 4 stay the same. Let's do the same exercise, but with other nouns we know. 1 restaurant, один ресторан.
1 ресторан.
2 restaurants, два ресторана.
2 ресторана.
3 restaurants, три ресторана.
3 ресторана.
4 restaurants, чотири ресторана.
4 ресторана.
Restaurants, ресторани.
Ресторани.
1 school, одна школа.
1 школа.
2 schools, дві школи.
2 школи.
3 schools, три школи.
3 школи.
4 schools, чотири школи.
4 школи.
Just schools, школи.
Школи.
1 friend, один друг.
1 друг.
2 friends, два друга.
2 друга.
3 friends, три друга.
3 друга.
4 friends, чотири друга.
4 друга.
Friends, друзі.
Друзі.
Друг is the word for a male friend. A female friend has its own word, подруга.
Подруга.
1 female friend, одна подруга.
1 подруга.
2 friends, дві подруги.
2 подруги.
3 friends, три подруги.
3 подруги.
4 friends, чотири подруги.
4 подруги.
Just female friends, подруги.
Подруги.
Like many other languages, the collective female form is only used in groups of all women. In groups of mixed gender, you use the male form. So if there were 3 women and 1 man, you would just use the male form. Друзі.
Друзі.
Is he Volodymyr's friend? Він друг Володимира?
Він друг Володимира?
Andre's car is there. Машина Андрія там.
Машина Андрія там.
Where is Svetlana's dog? Де пес Світлани?
Де пес Світлани?